Imagine this. A beast that blends hybrid insanity with pure V12 fury, wrapped in the rarest Grigio Keres matte gray that turns heads even in the dark. Welcome to the Lamborghini Revuelto, the future of raging bulls. And today we're taking you on the ultimate full walk-around. Interior deep dive and the craziest sound test you'll hear all year. Starting from the front, this low-slung monster hits you with those razor-sharp LED headlights and aggressive hexagonal grille. Every angle screaming performance and circle around and feel. The carbon fiber aero kit, the massive black forged wheels gripping yellow Brembo calipers, and that active rear wing ready to deploy for downforce that pins you to the seat. Now pop those iconic scissor doors and step inside this cockpit of luxury chaos. Red Alcantara and leather everywhere with perfect hexagonal stitching. The fighter jet style digital dash glowing. Passenger touchscreen for your co-pilot to control the vibes. Hidden cup holders that remind you even Lambo thinks practical sometimes. And that massive start button begging to be pressed. But the real magic happens when we fire it up. Listen to this hybrid. V12 idle like a caged predator, then switch to sport mode and feel the revs climb. Now Corsa mode, hold on. The exhaust roars to life with those signature Lamborghini pops. Bangs and massive blue-orange flames spitting from the quad tips, shaking the ground and echoing through the night. Like thunder, this isn't just sound. It's an experience that gives you goosebumps every single time. From the streets of America to your screen, the Revuelto Grigio Keres proves Lamborghini isn't slowing down. It's redefining speed. If this gave you chills, smash that like button, subscribe for more insane supercar content, and drop in the comments. Which mode would you drive first? Strada, Sport, or full Corsa madness? This is the Revuelto revolution, and it's only getting louder.